Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect Calendly to Zoho CRM, so your scheduled meetings are automatically synced with your customer records. This integration helps us save time, reduce manual data entry, and keep our leads and contacts organized. On the Calendly dashboard, all we need to do is click on Integrations and Apps on the left side of the dashboard. Once we find it, just click on it and then type Zoho in the search bar. Once we have typed Zoho, it will appear in the results. All we have to do is click on Zoho. From here, we will be taken to the Zoho page where we click Integrate for free. Next, we just need to log into Zoho using our Google account and select our Gmail to continue. We may need to complete a quick verification step to finish logging in. And that's it. We are now fully integrated. Zoho is now connected to Calendly, and that's all it takes to get these two tools working together seamlessly.